This one got hit in this back corner and completely destroyed it.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have the bed off of an F150 here. This is one of the aluminum bodied trucks. This one got hit in this back corner and completely destroyed it. So this one's going to be getting a new outer bedside, as well as these corner pieces that go back behind there. You'll be able to see a little better once I get the outer side cut off. But that piece, as well as the inner pillar. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting on this bedside, get this outer piece cut off. Then I will get these pieces cut off and start fitting my new parts up. So this has some adhesive right through this area. I'm gonna warm it up to get it to release. Now you can see how badly twisted up all of this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this corner piece cut out now. So I have that corner piece on there right now. I'm gonna go ahead and sit this bedside on, and I wanna fit the tailgate up. Make sure that corner's sitting exactly where it's supposed to. Now, before I can fit up the tailgate, I'm gonna repair this bottom corner of it. It's just rolled right here. So I'm gonna use my heat gun to warm up the aluminum, and I will work that back into shape, and then I'll sit it on there and fit it up. So I got this one all fit together. The bedside's just sitting on there, but I want to make sure that structure is in the right spot so the tailgate fits properly. And my gaps are nice and even. Tailgate opens and closes good. I'm gonna go ahead and lift the tailgate and the bedside off, and I will go ahead and get that structure rivet bonded in place and let that dry. So all of this gets rivet bonded on. So I have to drill my holes for the rivets. I already marked it and drilled all my pilot holes. I'm gonna go through now and drill them out the rest of the way, and then I'll take this back off and get my panel bond on it and get both pieces rivet bonded on. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna let this sit up. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bed side all prepped out and ready, so it'll be ready to go. Now I went ahead, I did a final fitment on this bedside. My gaps all look good still. I got all my holes drilled for my blind rivets. So now I'm gonna lift the tailgate and the bedside back off. I'm gonna run over all the bare aluminum one more time real quick and lay out my panel bond adhesive and get this bedside bonded, riveted on. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna let the adhesive dry on that. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this off, get this primed up.